Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see whether we can use ChatGPT 4 for images or not. So the first thing is that we cannot use images on GPT-4 as of now, and it is still in the research mode. So basically it has a limited access, and the API is also limited to some people. But when you try to open up an image on ChatGPT, this is what ChatGPT has to say, and it says that it is unable to access any image as of now, and we might need to provide some description, some kind of description of an image. Only then it will be able to rephrase that description into its own way, and there is no way we can upload images on ChatGPT as of now. So we need to wait for a while until the public access is available for this feature. So stay updated with us till then, and make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.